was like, man, I will come pick you up. But, oh yeah, Hector. Hector Roan. See, we got 3 team members.
Yeah.
Nice. There's a modified R1, pretty based off of a Raptor one. It's a little bit different. And then this is the pretty one. It's got a new deck, which looks pretty hot. Yeah. I got this for you, so just remind me.
Welcome! The Chicago East Skate there, though.
What's up, man? Good to see you. Yeah, we almost broke rings. Skating right, I'm like... Going forward is acceleration.
It's going fast.
It's fast, dude.
I love it.
Yeah, it's like old tech. It is though, you know? Yeah. But it's still fun. It just reminds me of like when I first started like riding e-boards, like that's what we used to ride, you know? Yeah. That's why it's so fun to me. Funny story about this chip. That's where I almost killed a woman in China with this board.
This one.
Nah, I didn't almost kill her, but I definitely killed her bike. Yeah, she veered, like she was in the middle of the road and she kind of veered out and I'm like, well, I can't stop. I'm like, I can't stop. So I hit the back of her bike, popped her tire, and now she's mad.
Otherwise, we have to go. We haven't made it. It was not our fault.
That's paint right off of her bike. Yeah,
that's crazy.
So it's got a story behind it.
I always like it better in slow because like whenever I was going faster, there's just a lot of torque. Like, it's a lot of torque. Yeah, it's just like a different torque curve than.
But you can change the curves if you want to.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Thanks, man. There's so much patch on the rear tires, like
so much.
Yeah, where they're touching the ground. That's all the motor.
Yeah, it's all motor.
Oh, that's crazy.
So where is your U.S. office at?
Well, we're an affiliate-based company.
Yeah. Like, I know that, but I'm saying like in case I have some issues with it.
Yeah.
That's my main concern.
You're talking to him.
Okay.
That's me.
So like, that's my main concern.
And right there, actually.
That's my main concern. Why?
Yeah.
If I had a problem, how long is a turnaround for me to get something fixed?
It depends what the problem is, actually. So if it's something that can be sent out as a solution, so like your wheel has a damage, we'll send it out within a week.
Okay.
If it's a full repair, but from the time you contact us and send it in, it's 2 weeks turnaround. I manage a repair agent.
Oh yeah.
Hector is our main repair agent in Chicago.
Okay. Yeah. Well, now I know that you guys have someone here. Right here. It's cool.
Yeah,
for sure.
Thanks.
This is like 20-something pounds, though, but. But for the speed of it, I think you need that kind of weight, man, for sure. Yeah, because I'm all about the hub design for sure.
Right.
Because after riding that thing, I just like the coasting part of it, and like that thing, it does.
Really well.
Yes, that's my main.
And does Inboard offer different wheel diameters?
Not right now, no.
No, right? Oh, well, we have 3 sizes. We have 90,
awesome.
97, and 100.
Don't go slow.
Jerk it back.
Yeah, you'll get it.
Yeah, no, it's a little. It's awesome though. Roan, right?
Yeah,
I'm Victor.
Yeah, nice to
Good to meet you, man. I've seen all your videos. That's awesome. Great to finally meet you. Dude, are these the new motors?
Yeah, these are the
What's the difference?
They've got like the chrome plating is like to reduce rust, and the bearings are smaller too, so it's harder for water to get inside.
Oh,
too.
good.
Yeah, that's what I always wanted on a boost tip.
Yeah.
Just a kick down.
Nice.
For simple stuff. And plus, when I stop at like stoplights, I want to be able to pop it out, you know?
Yeah.
Stop, pop it out, grab it.
Chill.
Oh, that's Jacob. He always butt boards.
Okay.
Yeah, we just did a drag race.
That's fast. It's one of the fastest ones out there. Yeah. If not the fastest one, I think, out there.
The newer deck versions, if you decide to order, are going to have blue plies, about I think 2 blue plies in between, and they look really good. You know, they look really. Did you see the images? Hey, if you guys all want like stickers, you can. Hector, if you just want to, people can grab as much as they want. Are these inertia stickers? Yeah, they're just inertia stickers.
A lot of like when we do these group rides, you know, it's usually anywhere between 5 and 10 miles to the next stop, and then we charge off, you know, socialize and stuff.
Yeah, all you do is
going.
like.
Sometimes it goes on very long. You know, we start at like 7. Some of these guys don't go home till like 2 or 3 in the morning.
3 in the morning. Oh yeah, we'll go.
Especially this guy.
Oh, you put it? Oh, okay.
And I'm rolling. And just doing a wheelie. I'm like, yeah, that board will wheelie.
I don't even think
like. Yo, hey guys, how's it going? Sorry, I didn't even have time to do an intro for this event, but we were in a little bit of a rush to get here, and we were a bit worried that it was going to rain tonight. But it's all worked out, we're good. We just went for our first leg of the group ride. We're just here at Donovan's, and we're just going to get a couple drinks, and then keep riding into the night.
I saw it on the menu, I was like, okay, there's a pretzel, then there's a big pretzel for like $5.
Thanks, man.
I thought somebody wanted to use.
As someone who works in the industry or like sees themselves in that light, like through what lens you're looking at it. Because I've always looked at it coming from longboarding, so it's a sport naturally for me, right? It's like how rad can we get on these things, like, you know? So that's my personal stuff. But then a lot of people get into like the DIY and the building. Okay, that's engineering. That's more of a hobby side, right? Right. But then again, it becomes more than that because like you're on it every day, so it's even more than a sport. Like it becomes like it is your life. It's a lifestyle. Yeah.
You gotta put your face up.
No. Thank you, you're Duke Ronan.
Dude Ronan! Congratulations, Mara! You are officially Dude Ronan. Thank you.